There's someone sitting by the railing. That's freaky.
You look very creepy too.
But I'm a creep.
Hey, it's 2 again, your level 99 Aliexpress advisor. Today we have a very cool product. Are you ever curious about binoculars? I know they're like a gray area and normally you can't really use them to see much. We found a really cool upgrade. We found monoculars. So we found this really cheap product on Aliexpress. It is only $22 and apparently you can see really far with it. As well, it says you can see at night. Let's bring the bad boys in. So right off the bat, when a product is advertised as able to see far, I think, wow, that's really creepy. You know, on it, it obviously says that do not use it for creepy business. It doesn't say that.
You don't know that?
And then it comes with a little tripod. So if you don't want to be creepy and you want to be super obvious that, hey, I'm not really watching you, I'm just watching past you, you can pop them on this tripod. The quality is actually quite nice, surprisingly. It's pretty sturdy, stands nice, has a little gimbal system. Let's open these up. They come packaged really nicely. Whoa. Wow, so for 20 bucks, the quality is really good. It's leather. It's got nice little sturdiness to it. It has a thing to protect your lens from. It also has a cap in the front. So I believe this is what you would look through, and this is how you would see. Ooh, another cool part, it says waterproof. So if you want to like go underwater with it. So it says 305 feet at 1,000 yards. That's really freaking far. So you can't actually look through it if things are too close. We're in a building, so we have like streets and we have apartment buildings right across from us. So we're gonna try to see if we can see in the apartment building.
No, we're not.
So if you're wondering how far this thing can actually see for real-time footage that we shot with it, do like and subscribe to the channel and keep watching till the very end. Oh shit.
Anything?
I can see so freaking clearly. Oh my god. And like as you go further and you can adjust the top and it becomes super clear. I'm so impressed. It's like so clear. There's like books.
Stop looking at an apartment. Can we just look at a street instead?
Wait, I'm looking at that lady who's coming out of the 24-hour self-serving banking, and I can see exactly what she's doing. Can you? She's cleaning the handles of the door. She just put the cleaner in her bag. Now she's walking away. Yeah, so I can see everything on it super clearly. It says 006 041. That's the number. It says ZTO Express. And this is so crazy, I can see even the small writing. It says www.zto.com. There's someone sitting by the railing. That's freaky.
You look very creepy too.
And that's why I'm wearing all camo. I thought I might blend in, but absolutely not. They're like, who's this green person staring out? Yeah, let's see how far I can look. Let's see if I can look in that building, that black building. Yeah, I can. Oh my god, I literally have a migraine from all the creeping that I just did. Jokes, I wasn't creeping. One thing though, it doesn't actually have night vision. I know we said that this thing said it did, but you do have to have dim lighting. It's not like a military binocular where it turns green. So you need dim lighting in order to actually be able to see at night. So if you comment and let us know how you think these binoculars did in terms of the length that they can see, we might actually gift it to you. I wasn't creeping. I was just looking at the flowers in someone else's apartment.